أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. با كسرة سين ساكن بس ميم كسرة لام ساكن مل لام فتح لا مل ها كسرة هي بسم الله ها كسرة را ساكن هير را فتح را هير را فتح ها ساكن راح ميم فتح ما هير رحمة نون كسرة را ساكن نير را فتح را نير را ها كسرة يا ساكن هي ميم ساكن هيم take the كسرة away. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قاف دم لام ساكن قل ها دم هو واو فتح لام ساكن وال لام فتح لا والله ها دم هو الله ألف فتح ها فتح ها أها دال. Take the dhammata and af, put a sukoon on it, and dal becomes a sakin. So we got ahad. Qul hu wallahu ahad. Notice the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is here, full mouth are heavy because it's preceded by a fattah on the waw. Okay. Here we put you have a hamdatul wasl on top of the alif, and we remove that, we'll put a fattah on it, and if there's a fattah before the lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the lam becomes heavy or full mouth. So you have alif fattah, lam sakin al, lam fattah la, Allah, ha dammahu, Allahu, ha damma sad sakin hus, صاد ضم صا خص الله الص ميم فتح ما الله الصمد. Then dal dhamma do Allah الصمد. Then remove the dhamma, put a sukoon on it, Allah الصمد. This letter dal is from the Kalkala family, Qutbul Jad, 5 letters. So make sure you do the Kalkala here. الله الصمد. لام فتح ميم ساكن لام يا فتح يا لام كسرة دال ساكن لد لام يا لد واو فتح واو لام فتح ميم ساكن لام ولم يا ضم واو ساكن يو لام فتح دال ساكن لد ولم يولد. Notice that this calcula is a little bit less than this particular one because it's right at the end, completes the sentence. Waw fatah wa lam fatah mim sakin lam wa lam ya fatah ya and kaf dhamma is going to be, you have a noon here which is grayed out. That means we don't pronounce that. We go more emphasis put on the lam here. These two letters are very close together, so it's very difficult to pronounce each one of them when they are like next to each other. Okay, so we have kaf dhamma lam sakin kul lam fatha la kulla and ha dhamma wa sakin hu wa lam yakul lahu kaf dhamma ku fa dhamma fu kufu waw fattatain one kufu one, and we don't nasalize it too much because this kufu one is followed by hamza here. Okay, so it's izhar and not ikhfa, for example. So you got kufu one, then you got alif fattah ha fattah ha, and you have on the dal, a dhamma and a meme. Now, normally it's two dhammas here, so it's ahadun, and the reason they got meme here is it's next surah is followed from here, for example, after Ikhlas, and next surah starts with the Bismillah. So that ba after the tanween here, then the iqlab rule comes in, and that's why this dun changes to a meme and becomes dum bi. For example, if you want to start with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, next one. But here we say aha, so remove these two, you have a dhamma and a meme, remove them and put a sukun on it, so it becomes ahad, ahad. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the kind, the caring. Allah, the one. Say, He is Allah, the unique. Allah, the eternal. He is not a father nor a son. None is equal to Him. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. صدق الله العلي العظيم.